Somebody's got to get wet.
It's dangerous.
It's going to be me.
Well, we spent 3 days getting trailer tires fixed from 8 months ago. So this thing has been sitting here since
The end of October.
end of October, yeah. So we're gonna untarp it, kind of see what we got. Looks like I got the tires are flat on both sides on the rear. Okay, let's look under the wheels, make sure there's nothing in our way, like wheel chocks or anything like that. I'll pull forward. The truck still couldn't pull the trailer forward to get the equipment off. Go ahead and get these two wheels and tires off. Once I'm hooked to the trailer tomorrow, I want to see if the neighbor here has a tractor or something that we can hook to just kind of ease this thing forward. So I'm going to go ahead and take these off. Okay, I'm on my way to get some tires put on. And I couldn't get the skid loader off the trailer because there was no room behind the trailer. Trying to drain. So here, look, here's what we got. It's got one of these automatic vents up here. Watch what happens.
It was turned off.
Watch.
The vent's clogged.
Vent's bad. See this thing?
You gotta be shitting me.
Here,
That's
check
all it
that.
was?
Yeah. See, look inside there. See, and what it does, it sticks. So when this thing goes to drain, it should open up, okay? Open up and allow air to get in so it drains down. There it is. That's good enough. Now we'll fill it up with cold water.
What's that little clear line there?
That's like an air switch for your garbage disposal.
Yipper. We're back this morning. Put the other two back tires on, new back tires on. You gonna get the sticker off?
It'll wear off.
I have to take this off because it bothers me.
Okay, I'm coming out.
There he goes, out the other side.
Gotta love it.
Gotta love it. Got the hard side done first. That was smart.
This trailer's so heavy with the equipment on there.
How'd you get that one out?
Well, the jack, see how far the
Yeah.
jack has sunk in there overnight.
Since last, okay.
And these tires were brand new when we left on our trip to come up here. They were all brand new tires, all 8 of them. This is what happened just on the trip from Ohio to Michigan.
Go.
Probably about 3/4. So we're gonna let some air out of this tire.
All right.
Okay.
Check it out.
You check it out.
I'll check it out. That's it.
Yep, we'll make that work.
Want to sit here?
Sure.
Sit here a minute.
Okay, that is Lake Michigan. I don't know, you think purple would look good on me too, or?
Maybe.
Cheers. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, Eureka. Upper Hand IPA. It's a
The UP beer.
It's a
It's a
UP
UP
beer,
IPA.
and UP
First time trying it.
first time trying it, and it's supposed to be
Tropical,
tropical.
piney, India pale ale.
Yeah, piney, like Michigan pines. There's a lot of pines here in Michigan, a lot.
I love.
Have you ever noticed that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, on our
Love
property,
pine trees.
huge pine trees. They're big. Hell, that big around. And are we gonna cut those down?
No,
Oh.
not those. Scrub trees, little trees that need to come down for the driveway.
Well, we brought our flip flops and sandals with us because we figured after a hard
We're gonna
day's
be at the
work
beach. Yeah.
that we would relax, and we did relax. We walked the property, big part of it. Kind of tried to finalize like where the driveway is going to enter from the road. We don't know the exact path it's going to take through the woods because it's hillside.
Just knock the trees out of the way. You grab a hold of trees and you pull them out.
That is,
I don't know
That
how
is-
that works. I mean, I've never seen that in action.
you just reach
I'm
out and grab
excited.
them and you spit them out.
Let's go down.
Let's do it. Somebody's got to take care of the video work.
Somebody's got to get wet. Somebody's got to get wet. It's gonna be me.